Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete MetaMask wallet account on mobile. First, you have the option to hide an account, which works for all account types. Open MetaMask and click on the account selector at the top. Find the account you want to hide, then click on the three vertical dots next to it. Select Hide Account. To unhide, just go back to the account selector, scroll down and choose Hidden Accounts. Find the account and click on the three dots, then select Show Content. And if you want to remove it, click on the account selector at the top if you're using MetaMask on desktop, then locate the imported account. Now click the three dots next to it, then select Account Removal and then click on Remove Account. And if you're using MetaMask on mobile, open the MetaMask app, then tap the account selector at the top. Find the imported account and then tap the three dots, then click on Remove Account. Some important notes: your accounts created with your secret recovery phrase cannot be removed because they exist. On the blockchain, you can only hide them, and if you created your wallet with Google or Apple login, you can also only hide accounts, not remove them. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.